Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will learn about few more string function in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so mainly we will cover up search, find, and replace function. So for the same, I have created one table here which contains in first column it contains the names, and in second column we will populate the data with the help of search function, and in third column we will populate the data with the help of find function, and in fourth column we will populate the data with the help of replace function. Now we will see each of these function one by one. So to use the search function, what you need to do, you have to write equal, then you have to write search opening parenthesis, then you have to pass the find text. So I let's say I want to find the uh, ul from this string. So what I will do, I will write in quote ul, then I will put comma, and then within text. So I want to fetch the position of ul from this text, so I will select this, then comma, and we have to pass the start position. So I want to start from the first character, so I will write 1 and close the parenthesis, so it returns position 4. Okay, now if I drag and fill for the all cells, so what it will do, it will check ul from ul, and if it finds, then it will return the value, otherwise it will return the value error. So if I press control tilde, so it will show me the error formula, like we are searching for ul in this cell b6 b7 b8 b9 b10 from position 1. So as ul is not present in this list, so therefore it is giving value error. Okay, now next thing is that if you observe carefully, then I will repopulate the data. So just write equal search, this time we will search for sha. So I am putting small sha, but it will, like here you can see that it shows it is non-case sensitive. It means it does not look for the exact match. It will only find the characters and then populate it. Okay, so here capital A and small a is completely different for this function. Okay, it is not different, it is same for search function. So let's find the letter small sha within the text. So my text will be this, and we will put comma and from starting position 1. Now hit enter. So it finds on 7th position. Now if I drag and fill, it will show for the remaining records, and if it does not find sha, then it will return value error. So this is all about search function. Now we will see what is find function. So find function is mainly uh, the purpose of find function is also same, but it is case sensitive. It means here the meaning of capital A and small a is completely different. So let's see how we can use this find function. So just write equal, then write the function find opening parenthesis. Here if I press backspace, so here you can see that it is a case sensitive. Now put parenthesis and select find text. So I will search for capital SHA. Okay, now I will select my text, so my text will be this. Now put comma and start position, so my start position will be 1. Now if I close and hit enter, so it shows me SHA is not present, because in formula bar you can see that we have passed for capital SHA, that is not present, but small sha is present. But as this function is case sensitive, therefore it is not returning any value. And if I drag it down, so it will check within all the records, but it doesn't find capital sha, therefore it returns value error. Let's say if I change this small sha to capital sha and hit enter, then it will give the exact position of sha, that is from 8th position. So that's how we can make use of find function. And these are the only difference between find and search function, is that search is non case sensitive, whereas find is case sensitive. Now we will see the third function, that is replace function. Now suppose you have one requirement in which you want to replace the character h and u with some other, let's say we have to put asterisk in place of h and u. So what we will do, we will use the replace function to replace. To use the replace function, you have to press equal, then just write replace opening parenthesis, then old text. So I will select this text, this is my old text, put comma, my starting position will be 1. How many characters I want to replace? I want to replace 2 character. Okay, so uh, m- I here we need to pass the position as, like if you want to replace h and u, so you have to pass 1, 2 and 3. So my start position will be 3. So my start position is 3, and from the third position I want to replace only 2 characters. So 2 character means h and u. Now put comma, and here we have to put the next text, new text. So my new text will be asterisk. So I will put double asterisk, then close my string and close my function. Now hit enter. So here you can see that it replaced the h and u into asterisk asterisk. So if I drag and fill for the other records, so it will do same thing. Like it will search for third position, and from third position it will replace 2 character with double asterisk. Okay, so that's how we can make use of replace function. So mainly in this session we all have covered search function, find function and replace function. We also learn about the difference between the search and find function. So that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharma.